Walking again. Good morning. Exercise na naman tayo papuntang work. Walking while the weather is good. So guys, ganda ng panahon. At saka maliwanag na. Grabe. 5 p.m. pa lang yung time natin, pero tingin nyo maliwanag, hindi na madilim. So kasi malapit ng summer, ganyan. Yes, happy me. Hindi na ako natatakot maglakad kasi wala ng snow. Bye.